Hello, guys. Here we go with BetterHash. I wanted to do a 2025 update because I just did a video with the Vast update, and yeah, Vast is doing really well. Unfortunately, not the same for BetterHash and the people mining on graphics cards. So I did a little update in the last video. Let's kind of like move it to here. So if you didn't watch the last one, maybe go watch the Vast AI GPU mining update video. So what's happening with BetterHash? Why are we so unprofitable? Well, first of all, GPUs are unprofitable unless you're on Vast, and even then, it's not super great. Well, it's okay, I guess. It depends on the verification and all that. So I guess, guys, what do we make here? I think I have an RTX 3080 in this computer, or yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. And so like, I don't know if this is gonna affect the quality of the video, so just bear with me there. But so here's what happens if we start it up. We start it up. You can see in the bottom right here of my screen, it might get really laggy. So I'm just gonna really quickly start this up. We might do a little bit of lag in here. So maybe because I'm recording this video, it won't skyrocket back up. So this sits around 30 cents. My GPU goes crazy. So we're making about 30 cents a day off of a 3080. Now, I mean, to be fair, if if you have decent electric rate or don't pay for your electric rate, it's an alright amount. It's very bad in my opinion. But you could, get away with this if you set power limit and did a couple things and there's a couple things you can do on here. I would always come to GPU and CPU miners and then make sure you benchmark. It should make you do that. So make sure you benchmark first, guys, and it will select the best one. Now there is another thing called profit switching. I would enable this, and I don't know if I want to do it based on local benchmark. So that's for you guys to decide, or maybe test out. I have not tested that, and I would rather do it based on server recommendations because it's saying like I think what it's saying is that hey, this coin's more profitable right now. We're gonna swap over, and I think that's what's going on instead of oh you benchmarked. We're not keeping track of what coins are more profitable type of thing. Um, so yeah, I think from there um, there was another option I wanted to show. I guess it's not here, but yeah, is it profitable right now? Not really. It's pretty bad, guys. I would say, stay away from it. Um, is BetterHash a good thing to use? I enjoy BetterHash because I have not heard too many bad things. Maybe somebody can knows and like can comment in this video. But BetterHash has been pretty solid. I know like NiceHash did that whole thing with the scammy bullshit. Couple years or well years and years ago, they were scamming people out of like a percentage of like it would say that they were taking like I don't know what the amount was, but it would say they were taking like 3% and they were taking actually like 6 or 7%, and so they got ended up getting sued I think for it or something like that. But so I don't really mess with NiceHash too much. Maybe we'll do a video on that, but um, and actually that would be actually a good idea to do a video on now that I've done this video, maybe like next week. Because I know we're making 30 cents a day off this thing. Has not gone up, has not really gone down. It's been 30 cents for about 2, 3 days now. Seems pretty stationary at 30 cents. So, I mean, if you set power limit at a decent rate and we're still making roughly 30 cents, I would say you would make a little bit of profit there. Would you rather have, I transferred all this into Bitcoin. Some people like to keep the coins themselves, but I transfer it into Bitcoin. But like some people would rather pay a little bit of electric and swap it out for Bitcoin. Because it's about the same. As long as you're like, say you're just breaking even. Some people like to just literally swap for, you know, Bitcoin. So, um, Yeah, the only other thing about BetterHash that kind of pissed me off is if we come to BTC transfer, it looks like they have done a issue where so the fee is 0.001, the withdrawal is 0.002. If we go to my account and we scroll down, we can see 0.001. They take 90 USD to transfer. Um, so yeah, I don't know about that. I will test that theory once they pay me out, guys. So I would be very careful with BetterHash right now because that seems counterintuitive. Of course, this could be a little bit less because of this right here. You would have to delete that, and it's probably still fucking 50, $60. So let's watch out for that and be very careful because we don't want them taking 50, $60 from us. Fuck that. Um, yeah. So yeah, I think another thing I wanted to bring up really quick is all you guys that used my referral code. Thank you so much. Um, you guys are great, man. It's so good to see 80 referrals on here. Like this is amazing. Like you guys have gave me pretty much all my Bitcoin that's on here. I think $90 worth or whatever I have. You guys have gave me so much, and it's so nice to see the community. You know, I got a lot of views on the video, but not a lot of comments, and so I'm hoping more people comment this time around. And you guys are fantastic, and I don't do this video for money. Like this YouTube channel doesn't make me shit. It doesn't make me anything. Sorry. And so I just do this for kind of the community, and I just wanted to give a small update, not too long of a video, just what's going on with BetterHash in 2025, especially since we're like almost mid 2025 now. And so yeah, I just wanted to kind of do an update and kind of go over some things, but um, yeah, that's kind of the gist of it, guys. Thanks for referring me. I'm gonna put my referral link back down in the description once again. That would be amazing if you guys would refer me. It's amazing. Hopefully you guys, maybe mine some coins on here. You know, BetterHash does do ASICs miners, so if you guys know anybody using ASICs, send them my referral code. You guys are the man. You guys got it. But yeah, guys, that's about it. That's all I really wanted to touch on was how are we doing? Pretty bad, you know. Let me know how you guys are doing on your GPUs, 4080s, 4090s, 5080s, 5090s. Let me know what you guys are making for an income on there. If you, what your power limit's set at. I would love to see some power limit stuff and some overclock people do. The stuff that's kind of dying out. GPU mining has just died. So we'll see what happens. But all right, guys. Until next time, I'll see you later. And thanks for watching the video.